In this video, we're going to walk through the basic setup of a Squarespace website. So we'll go to squarespace.com and we're just going to start by clicking the Get Started button. It's free, no credit card required to get started. And initially we're going to decide what our site is about. You could also click I'm just browsing. That's going to take you right to templates. In this case, we'll use the tutorial they have and we'll choose marketing. Let's say it's a marketing services company and click next. These are some options for what does your company or business do through this website. So let's say we sell products and we sell services through the website, and we'd like to also offer a contact form. So then I'll click finish. This is where it's going to ask you to log in, so you can go through that process and create an account. This will be free. And once you do that, it's going to take you to the site info section of the timeline, and we're going to update the site title in this box here. Let's call it marketing business. We're also going to select a brand personality, and this just helps provide recommendations for later steps on different sections and pages and colors and fonts. So let's say we're going to do a professional for that. The first section is your homepage build out. So when you go to a website, the main page that you're on and everything you scroll to, when you scroll down, that's what we're going to be building out here. So in this case, we'll have an intro section. Let's say we want to add some products as well, and then also some services that we're going to add. You can modify these sections and select different types of the section here. We can also update this later, so that's not really a problem. And then we'll also have this footer section at the bottom. Again, this is all these are all things that you can update at a later stage, but it at least gets us in the right direction with the website. Then we'll click next, and let's just say this is the pages area, so the pages are going to be here on your website. Let's say we want an about page, we want a contact page, we don't really want a shop page, we want services listed. And those are going to be the pages for the website. So then we'll click next. This is where they recommend some color palettes. This is something that can change at a later stage, but this will give you a general color palette for the website. Let's say we want to choose something that they've recommended for professional, so we'll do that for our color palette. And then for the fonts, again, they'll give you some recommendations on professional. You can see that site is updating to that. But you'll see there's a title font, and then there's the paragraph font. And let's say we want to do something that's is an option, but not necessarily a recommendation for that. And then we'll click finish, and this gets you the basic setup of the website. Initially you're going to get a 14-day trial. In our case, we can update that to a 3-month trial. We can also give you a discount on the purchase of a year subscription to Squarespace. Once you're ready to go live with your website, you can contact us at www.remodelmywebsite.com. But this really just helps you get built out with the site. It's really easy and fast to build it out. And then from here, if you double click on any of these sections, you can start to modify the content in them and customize things. And in later videos, we'll talk about how you can edit the sections and the color palettes and whatnot. But this is just to kind of get you moving and started with the site.